So here we've got little Riley. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to go down certain trails. I'm going to let Riley go in front of me. And obviously I'm going to film him from behind. Then I'm going to let him go behind me. And I'm going to spin this round so it's on my back with the help of Riley. And then what I'll do is I'll put this onto Riley's chest so we get a view of what each trail is like with the different views. So I'll chop into each one so it looks like we're going down as a follow, going down as being followed, and then going down in Riley's perspective. Do you know what I mean? So it's going to be a good day. So yeah, we're going to go. I've just upgraded my Bosch bike to the 2.0. which is 120 Newton meters. And then to make it a bit easier, I've got one of these that goes on the back, and it's just a lead that basically attaches to his bike, and I can pull him. Right up stuff, nice and fast. See you on the trails. Follow me.
Yeah. Follow.
The bike, yeah, in between your legs. Open your legs up. That's it. You face your knee, which direction you want to turn. So your right knee if you want to go right, left knee if you want to go left, okay? That's it. Good stance. You alright?
Yeah.
Let your brakes go. Now. That's it. Good lad. Nice. And a little pop going up the curve. And then pop off. Well done, Riley. Go on. Nice. Hopefully raspberries are out. Another what?
How do we exit?
Well, I go to the left.
Where?
There, where them rocks are now. Left. Down here. Go on. Yeah. Just brakes a lot, yeah. Well done, Riley. Well done. My God, Riley, well done. Right, go right, that's it. You've done fantastic. That's it, just take it at your own pace. Nice. Oh, you're all right, foot down, it's fine, no problem. Keep going. That's it. It has changed a bit, hasn't it? Because it's grown. There's a lot grown. Well done. Nice. That's it. Fantastic job, mate, because that is hard. To the right. Well done. You did a right job.
Go there. Here. Around here. And then I go up here. And then I go across here, I think. Yep. Yep, here.
Perfect. Well done. You're fantastic. Yes. Sit. Doing really, really well. You're okay, you're okay. Good decision. Nice.
Where do I go?
Left. Right to the bottom. So, sit, pedal. Nice. Yay!
We are done.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Nice. Come on. That's it, nice and slow. That's it. Round the corner. Nice. That's it, stop. Yeah. It's easier than you're pushing a big, well, your bike, innit? That's doing all the work for you.
It is on low.
That's it. There you go. That's it, so just take your time. Good lad. Steady. Nice. Well done. Well done, Riley. Straight through the trees, straight forward. Takes you onto that bit that you've just done that you couldn't do before. So look where you're going. Down, down, down. Down, go down there, that's it. Right, so steady around this corner. That's it, front brakes you mate. Well done. And just follow it down. Can't go wrong. Up to you. Left, that used to be the trail. I don't know where this has come from. Coming out. That's it lad, go on, straight forward. See where they're coming up, just go steady. And then where they're coming up, just stay to the right hand side, okay? Yep, follow that down. Yeah, mate. That's it. Good lad. Nice. Straight forward. Pop off. Yes. Nice slalom here, left and right. Try and lean the bike. Yeah, not your body. That's it. Push the bike into the corners. That's it. Yes. Nice. Now, straight forward. Keep going straight forward. No, yeah, straight forward. That's right. Go left here. Go on straight forward through there. Right, there's some. Jump off that. Go, follow these. That's it. Left, left. Right, and then a jump. Bang. Yeah, left. That's it. Now straight forward over that little jump. Yeah, you can see where tyres are going. Straight forward there. That's it. Follow it round. No, yeah, left, 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 left. That's it. Nice. Well done, Riley. Well done. Well done. To the right. That's it. Nice. Follow these little jumps. Yes. Yes. Woo! That's it. To the left. Pop off. Nice, Riley! Go on, lad! Yoo-hoo-hoo! Skidder. Do a skidder. Yeah.
That was so fun.
Come here. Well done. Come here. Ah, you did fantastic. Especially the exit. Oh, I love you. Mwah. Well done, mate. So, I would say that is a successful day. Riley's tackled some stuff he couldn't do before, which has been absolutely brilliant. He's just gone in and just gone for it. There were a couple of ones where, obviously at first one we did follow cam, and then I did it from behind so I could see him behind me, and then we did Royal's POV. But then he did one where he was down the rocks, and he wanted me to follow him. He didn't want to do it again because he was just glad he just got down that first time, so he's done a brilliant job then. And then the next one was just on his body, so it's his point of view. But yeah, and then we got into Ellen Woods, which is near where we live, and there's some corners that he's tackled, some nice berms. And then the exit where we've just come out now, he stopped last time because it's a big steep shoot, which you probably can't tell on the GoPro because it never does it any justice. But yeah, you've done well, haven't you, Riley, mate? Give me a 5. Yes, sir. Have it.